How to use add yours sticker on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So to add your sticker, you'll need to go to add to your story option on the top, and then you can either choose a photo or video from a gallery, or you can even choose to click your own picture. And then after you've clicked a picture, you have to tap on the second icon. It's like a smiley. Tap on it and then you will see add yours templates. Tap on it and then you can see add yours template has been added. You can just put it anywhere on the screen, and then you can even increase the size and hit next. It's as simple as that. You can pin text, GIFs or images to create a template. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.